back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a get ready with me. We're going to be getting ready and just coming up with a look for Thanksgiving for all of my American viewers. Most of the people that watch my videos are actually from the US, so I thought I'll do a Thanksgiving look for you guys. I'm going to prime my eyes with the Juvia's Place concealer. This is number 15. Anyway, so the first song that I'm really liking right now is Davido's new album. Honestly, what do you guys think of the album? I personally, I don't know, it's not my favorite album. I think I only like 2 songs on the album. The first one is Check 'Em and the other one is DNG with Summer Walker. Those are the 2 that I'm really bumping right now. But I'll play that one. So this is Check 'Em. And this one Bass.
See my baby set to check up. Give me Gucci bag for a waist to check. I hear your baby bad mind mad check. I see her rocking with a real and not check. Mirror mirror all you want to check.
Own It by Stormzy featuring Ed Sheeran and Burna Boy. If you know me, you know I love Burna Boy. Like this, I just love him. All his songs are bomb, everything amazing.
Bro, where did this feature come out of?
I love it.
Once I saw it, I'm like, nah, it's gonna be vibes. But they should have given Burna Boy a verse.
Fuck love it when I put you in your place. I can tell you love it just by looking in your face. It's the way.
Own it. Cause your body's on fire. Alright guys, so now I'm going to put you on to some Nigerian jams that I've been bumping. I really like this one. It's called Lady by Rema.
Another banger.
The moment I see you now up never. Lady oh, my lady oh oh.
My baby, you must come. Oh, yeah, make you shake it, see how baba. Oh, yeah, but I'll make you no go give me a bala. I should go let them make you give me back.
I think I'll use this color.
Body there, oh, my baby, you must come. Oh, yeah, make you shake it, see how baba. Oh, yeah, but
the next song I've really been liking is Joro by Wizkid. Hey. Hell yeah.
I don't want to lose you these days for you.
You want to keep this? This kind of love, it do my body na. This song is by Naira Marley. It's called Mafo. My friend played it recently in the car, and ever since then I've just been thanks. Hey, this is my jam. King by Fireboy. Oh my god. Ooh yeah. Fireboy, let's know ya.
When me so the beat, baby, I'm making my finish, baby. All the girls calling me, baby. See, baby.
Baby, fight for your love, but I don't feel beg for your love. I don't feel beg for your love, baby. Share baby, it makes me so happy. Yeah, Uli Babala. My friend actually told me what the song meant. And everything was okay until we got to the soapy part, and then the dance for the song actually made sense, and I was just like, that's Soapy by Naira Marley. Now the next song I've really been bumping is Gangsta by Darko.
Scratch mix, baby. I beg you, baby, kick it to the left now. If you wanna eat it, no pressure. I'm trying gonna love me like a gangster. Tell me what you answer. I give you love, make I give it to you faster.
Oh my god, you guys, so I watched the video of this song and like, it's a girl. Like, the person that sings the song is a girl. I would have never guessed that. First time I ever heard it, I was like, Wizkid has a new song. I was even thinking it was Wizkid.
Why are you giving this girl so much screen time? She's not even featured. That's what I was thinking.
Huh?
You know how?
Oh, yeah, exactly. Same thing I thought. I was like,
okay.
Who is this girl that is singing? This is not the owner of the song, really. Like,
and then when they were showing the boy, I'm like, okay, why isn't he singing?
Yeah, like it was so confusing at first, and then we dipped it, and we're like, oh. Hey, you guys, listen to this song.
Party, then we mash up the place. Party after party, then we mash up the place. Party after party, then we mash up the place. Mash up the place. Victory on the bread. Yeah. Party after party. Yeah. Party after party. Yeah. Party after party. After party after party. Yeah. Party after party.
Let's see the funniest song this year. Ghetto Love by Wizkid. Hey.
He asked me what in my love for life. I said, but you know what I just gonna be for the liquor. Take my down, man, give me just a little more, give me your body. Put the buttons on my baby, your body.
Oh my gosh, I love music so much.
When I'm with you, I feel alive. You say you love me, don't you lie? Cases, you know. She feel my mind, I'm good at it.
But I also like the song. It's called Trouble by SARS and Worldy.
Girl, you're the one for me. Girl, you're the one for me. All girls have been looking for me. Dropping the dirty wine for me. You're the only one that I see. You're the only one for me.
So that's that song. I really like Nana by Peruzzi. It's such a cute song.
Nothing feels better than when I
Hey.
I can't deny, and that's right. Understand, baby, no one but you. Because I don't even control myself again. So baby, just hold me strong like a shaman. My head is hot, I did now.
This is another song that I like. It's called Bad Commando by Rema again.
Bad man, they know it. They don't see me bad commando. Loud and pray for mercy. Whenever you come in me, you wanna try to vex me, but she can never tempt me.
Short and sweet. Listen to G Love. So G Love is by Crept and Conan and Wizkid.
She rock with the eyes.
Live life, never
Worry
worry
about the prize.
Take 5, I can see it in your eyes. Yeah, she just wanna get to love.
Yeah, you're so who me not like. Never let another one try. Pull up on my girl, it's that time. Yeah, she just wanna get to love.
Laura
Is it
Messier.
like if I pipe no chase? Your bum can't fit in them jeans, there's no space. I tell her come climb on my wood and go ape. Them girls say they're happy for you, they're so fake. Back shots now, I'm pulling on bundles.
Don't Call Me Back, Joe Boy and My Open. It's so cute.
That's not me, no one do again. I know God is stop you. I know God stop you, but don't call me back. Don't call me back. Even if you call it, no go connect. All I know go there. I know do again, make you forget. Call another day.
Next song is Rora by Ricardo Banks.
If you dream of my life, party two, I think party one, party two, like the power. I go get the change, you got walk, and change your life, joy. A little money give you first, and
So now we're going to just slow it down a little bit to a song that I love it so much. It's called Touch and Go by Tinashe and Black. Meet me in the middle. Touch and go. I'm too emotional. Touch and go. I'm too emotional. It's been bad, it's been touch and go. It's been round and round, it's been low, we've been here before. So the next song I have is Risky by Davido and Popcan.
5 days, 10 days, I don't dare wait for you, I charge. For you, I charge. Kilo card, I'm getting mad, biggie mad. So what's fun?
Shy Girl by Black.
Been a very long, booty this body whiskey, get tipsy, but that be quite risky.
Only is playing again, we're just gonna play it.
Girl, you just own it. Cause your body's on fire. Get on it, get higher. Get I love how you own it. Cause your body's on fire.
Alright guys, so this is a finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had so much fun making it. Honestly, getting ready and listening to music can actually make you waste so much time, but I love it so much. And I hope you guys also discover some new songs, and if any of the songs I played are also one of your favorites, please let me know in the comments. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on my socials, and I'll see you all in my next video. God bless you all. Bye.